In this chapter, we'll take a broader look at how the automated lottery system works as a whole. The purpose here is to provide a high-level understanding of the flow without getting into the specifics just yet. This is a recap of how everything fits together, from start to finish, and how each component interacts with the others. The journey begins with a trigger that sets the process in motion. Every Sunday at precisely 8 p.m., the system automatically activates. This recurrence ensures that the lottery process is carried out on a regular schedule, without any manual intervention. The trigger serves as the starting point of the entire operation, making the system fully automated. Once the process starts, the main controller of the system, the parent flow, takes charge. This flow is responsible for managing the overall sequence of actions and ensuring that each step happens in the correct order. It first calls upon the first child flow, which is responsible for gathering and organizing all the necessary participant data. This includes retrieving the names, email addresses, and assigned lottery numbers of everyone involved. Once this data is fetched, it is sent back to the parent flow, so it can be used in subsequent steps. After receiving the participant data, the parent flow proceeds by calling the second child flow, which generates the winning number for the lottery. This is where the randomness of the lottery comes into play. The system uses the total number of participants, which it got from the first child flow, to randomly select a winning number. This ensures that the lottery is fair, with each participant having an equal chance of winning. The generated winning number is then passed back to the parent flow for the next step. Next, the parent flow triggers the final child flow, which is responsible for notifying all participants about the lottery results. This step is crucial, as it ensures that everyone who participated in the lottery is informed about the outcome. Each participant receives an email containing the winning number, the name of the winner, and their own assigned lottery number. This keeps everyone in the loop, regardless of whether they won or not. Once all the notifications have been sent, the process comes to an end. The entire flow has been completed, and the system is ready to begin again the following week. At this point, all actions have been carried out automatically, and there's nothing more to be done until the next scheduled lottery. The key benefit of this system lies in its modularity. By breaking the process down into smaller, manageable child flows, the entire process becomes more organized and efficient. The parent flow acts as the conductor, orchestrating the flow of operations without being bogged down by the details. Each child flow handles one specific task, ensuring that everything is done in a streamlined and efficient manner. Another major advantage of using child flows is the ability to reuse them across different workflows. For example, if you have another process that requires participant data retrieval or the generation of random numbers, you can reuse the same child flows, saving time and effort. This reusability makes the system more flexible and adaptable to future needs. Additionally, if any part of the process needs to be modified or improved, it can be done without disrupting the entire workflow. For instance, if the way we notify participants needs to change, we can simply update the relevant child flow, and the rest of the system will remain unaffected. This makes the system much easier to maintain and update over time. In summary, the automated lottery system relies on a well-structured flow where each part has a clear role. The parent flow manages the orchestration, calling each child flow to perform specific tasks, from gathering participant data to selecting the winner and sending notifications. The modular design of the system makes it easier to manage, maintain, and scale, while also ensuring that the entire process runs smoothly and automatically. In the upcoming chapters, we'll delve into more technical details and walk through how you can set up each of these child flows in Power Automate. But for now, the key takeaway is the importance of the parent flow in managing the overall process, and how the child flows simplify and modularize the individual tasks.